Hi guys, I'm here today with this very beautiful and also very functional Dayette whole home air filter. For me, the three highlights of this whole home air filter are: first, the H13 HEPA filter, which is very efficient, really good, filters out almost everything. The second thing is this super quiet night mode. We have it here on this beautiful display here. We can activate, we'll turn off all the lights and go into super quiet mode, but still filtering the air. And the third thing is the full automatic mode. So we have a full automatic mode here on this touch screen. So it will detect then the air quality with this built-in sensor here in the back and determine how fast it has to be running to make the air clean and fresh in a decent time. So it's a really interesting air filter. So I'm going to show you what you get, how to install and how to use the different functions. So that's the box with a lot of really nice description, what it has, what it does. So let's open, see what we get. Comes nicely protected. So let's take it out. So what's very important here is to prepare the filter, because the filter is still wrapped in and without that it wouldn't work. So when we have it in this position, we rotate it counterclockwise so we can remove the filter. And here we have also all the accessories. That's a good idea. So everything is super nicely protected. Here we have the power supply and also the instructions manual, warranty card, support information, and also quick instruction how to install it. And then the full instructions manual. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, very easy to use. The only thing which you have to know here is the indicator light when we are using the automatic mode. So the blue means very good air quality, green means good, yellow means moderate, and red means polluted. And so we remove this filter from the plastic. So you can see this really nice, good quality filter here. And maybe a quick peek how it looks inside. So a really good design, beautiful, easy to use, easy to insert filter, also replace. This is also how a filter replacement would work. We also have these 4 soft rubber feet. You don't have to be worried about scratching any surface. So we put it back here. Then we plug in the power. It has a very long power cord, really helpful. Power goes into the back of the device. And here at the back we have also the cover for the air sensor. So I would also highly recommend to clean this every time you replace the main filter. And so we are ready to use it. By the way, there's also a cover here. And so I turn it on here with this sensor button, really nice, easy touch buttons. And so first it goes into this automatic mode where it's detecting the air quality. You can see cycling through red, green, blue, figuring out how good or bad the air quality is, and after a couple of seconds it will stay in the position which it has been detected. Here we have blue means good air quality, and so it's lowering the fan speed. But of course you can manually adjust the speed. This is the F1. We can set it higher to F2, which has more power, F3 even more, and F4 if you have an emergency, maybe after cooking or so, painting or animal accident, something like that, then it's highly recommended put it on high power. And if everything is okay, put it on automatic or F1 to have it really nice, quiet, still good air quality. And here we have a very convenient timer, starts from 1 hour, goes up to maximum 12 hours, and then cycles back to normal always on mode. And here's the filter replacement indicator. If it lights up, replace the filter. After that, press for 5 seconds and then it will reset. Now we heard that. And on top of the automatic mode, which is absolutely awesome, we have also the sleep mode. So we touch here and then the display will turn off and it will go into super quiet mode. It's still running, I can still feel the air, but it's very quiet. And we can see the decibels here. Now when I'm talking it's much higher, but when I stop talking you can see how low this is. It was even below 20 decibel here, so close. So from everything which I can see at the moment, it's an awesome device, very beautiful, has all the functions which we need, and especially the sleep mode and the automatic mode are very convincing features here in this model. And also the power consumption is very low. For example, when we have it running on the F1, which is still providing a lot of air, still can work as a whole home air filter, then it's only consuming about 5 watts, which means that's only around $5 per year if you run it 24/7 the whole year. That's amazing. And so I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.